Halo eyes or spotlight eyes have been a huge beauty trend for a while now. And why not? They frame your eyes beautifully. Now I know it's not an easy look to create, and there are a few online tutorials that show you how to do it using an eyeshadow. So I'm here to make it easier for you guys and show you how you can achieve this look using a pencil and some highlight. Helps you guys to ace this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and before you leave, do not forget to check out POPxo shop. We have amazing merchandise. Click the link in the description below and happy shopping. For more such makeup and skincare tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo daily.